Welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about a new update coming to YouTube, and I want to share this information with you guys so you guys have all the information you need to really make your YouTube channel succeed. We're talking about Premiere 2.0. Premiere has been around since about 2018 and has really been gaining momentum on the YouTube platform. YouTube is seeing a lot more content creators utilizing Premieres and a lot more viewers tuning into these Premiere videos. Premiere videos is basically the same as your YouTube content, except you're uploading the video and setting a premiere time. When that premiere time comes, viewers could join a premiere page, and they could join this up to 30 minutes before the video starts. And they could start engaging with other viewers. They can engage with you if you join the premiere page as well. And then, once the video is about to start, a timer will count down, and then everyone will be watching the video live together. This is an amazing opportunity to really engage your viewers on your channel. This allows your viewers to engage with each other when they're viewing a video together. They can interact and chat while they watch the video live. You could also join in that conversation and engage with your viewers as they're enjoying your content. This is really going to be a game changer for your YouTube channel if you have not started changing it already. But with Premiere, YouTube has recently updated them with some really powerful updates that I think you guys are going to really enjoy. In my opinion, the greatest update that YouTube is implementing is going to change the game moving forward. They're going to allow you to go from live streaming straight into a Premiere video, and vice versa, and between Premiere video to Premiere video. What this means is you could have maybe a pre-show where it's a live stream, you're engaging with your viewers, you're engaging with your audience. You have the opportunity for super chats and all the bells and whistles that go along with live, and then you could go right into a Premiere video and send those live viewers into a Premiere. So there's a lot of creative things you could do here by engaging with them beforehand, answering questions, help building that hype as you get ready to go into that Premiere, and then send your whole audience straight into a Premiere video and have a lot of views right off the bat, and have them all engaging while they're enjoying this new piece of content that you're putting out for them to watch at the same time, along with you as well. This could also go vice versa. Everyone just got done enjoying a Premiere video, they enjoyed it together, and now you send them right into a live streaming session with you. And this is going to be great because you could answer questions or get feedback live and maybe further engage your audience that just enjoyed this Premiere video all the way through. There's even further combinations where you could send people from one Premiere video to the next. So maybe you have a series of videos or a series of content that you want to really engage people. Maybe this is part of your live stream strategy where you go from live stream to Premiere to live stream to Premiere to Premiere. There's all sorts of creative things that you can really engage people. So maybe you start off with a pre-show and you tease at what they're about to see. Maybe you mention some different things they could look for in the video. Maybe some opportunities to win prizes as they watch the video, and then they come back and join you on the live stream where you announce those prizes, or you pinpoint those secret Easter eggs that you hid in your video, or maybe you just talk about the video content that everyone just enjoyed. So a lot of opportunity to really engage your audience and really leverage this update that YouTube is doing to Premieres. One key thing to remember with this live redirect is that it's going to change how current YouTubers are utilizing the YouTube platform, because it's only going to allow you to do this within one channel. You're not going to be able to go from a live stream to a Premiere video on a different channel or vice versa. It all has to be within the same channel. This is going to really change things up for a lot of YouTubers who felt the need to separate out their live content on a completely different channel, where this is my live content and then the other channel is for the pre-edited content that they're uploading to their channel. A lot of content creators did this because it is a different format between their live and their pre-edited content, but this is going to give YouTubers an opportunity to really put those two content types together and figure out the power of having those content live together as long as it's all fulfilling the channel niche. Some of the updates are not quite as spectacular, but still much needed improvements to the Premiere platform. The first one is trailers. If you're not someone that is going to take advantage of doing a live stream and sending people into a video, you could still further engage people that are coming to your premiere to enjoy the content. You could set up a premiere video that's going to air before the premiere starts. These videos are going to be uploaded just like any other videos, but to be a trailer video, it must be 15 seconds to 3 minutes long, and it's going to show right before the premiere starts. So it's going to lead right into the premiere video. So it's essentially going to replace the countdown theme that you could select to go into it. So YouTube is going to want you to kind of have your own countdown in the video, but this is another way you can engage audience, give them a little precursor of what they're about to watch, or a little more information about yourself, or maybe you have other creative content before your video. Maybe you're advertising a nonprofit you're raising money for, maybe you're showing off some of your merchandise, maybe you're showing off other product that you're going to be talking about in the video, but you're prepping them for your video, you're introducing them to yourself, and you're leading up into the premiere video that everyone's going to be watching live together. You also have to remember that these videos have to be on your channel. So again, you can't utilize videos on other channels, and they must be unlisted or public. Obviously, if it's a published video, you will be able to gain viewers from that video directly, and it will be monetized. Otherwise, there's not going to be any ads rolling for the trailer video, but the ads will roll for the premiere video still. Another much needed update was expanded countdown themes. Up until this point, there has always been just the one countdown animation that plays up to 2 minutes before the video actually starts the premiere. This is really exciting because some videos have a much different feel to them than the colorful, upbeat countdown that they've had previously. This will give you the opportunity to select a theme that better fits your niche, or the feel or the rhythm of your video. So maybe you have a video that's a little more slow, or maybe more somber, it's a little more serious. So you want a theme that kind of reflects that, so it really sets the tone of your premiere as your audience goes into it. I really think this is going to be a welcome update that everyone's going to be really excited about. The last minor update is that previously you could not set up premieres from the mobile YouTube app, but now you'll be able to set that up. So if you're out and about collecting some quick videos for your viewers, maybe you vlog using your mobile device, or maybe you want to connect to your mobile device to upload videos, now you can set those as premiere from your mobile device. No longer do you have that limitation. Last crucial thing you need to remember is the eligibility. So there is still some eligibility requirements that are going to be a barrier for some YouTubers that are trying to utilize these new features. Premiere is available to all YouTube creators, but some of these specific features are limited to people with a certain amount of subscribers. So to be eligible for some of these Premiere features, you need to have that 1,000 subscriber count. So that's going to include being able to do the live redirect, going from the live stream to the Premiere video, and vice versa, or between the Premiere videos. And that's also going to include the trailer video. So if you're looking to engage your audience in that way, you need to build up your content, build up your audience, and get to that 1,000 subscriber count before you can start utilizing those features. But again, Premiere is available for all YouTubers, and the expanded themes to have more options for that countdown theme, that's still going to be available for all users. These features are already rolling out through December here, so some of them you probably already have seen on some Premiere videos or as you uploaded your own, and then some of them are going to be going into 2021. But most of this stuff is going to be rolled out pretty quickly here. So I'm really excited to start playing around with it, and hopefully you guys give it a try too. It's going to be a great opportunity to really engage and grow your audience. Hopefully this video was really useful for you guys. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, so that you get some more of these videos trying to help you guys expand your audience, grow your YouTube channel, and then see firsthand what I'm doing to grow my YouTube channel. So hopefully you could take some of these lessons and apply them to your YouTube channels and whatever niche you might be in, and grow your channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'll see you guys next time.